Hey there everyone, this is Akshita and here I am again with another video. And in this video we are going to learn how to find a factorial of a number using loops and in Python, yeah of course. So first of all let's quickly check what is a factorial. Factorial is something with this exclamatory mark. What does it mean is that we have to find 5, then multiply by 4, 3 and then 2 and then 1. This is the factorial of a number. When we multiply this all, then we get it an answer of 120, and this is a factorial. If in the mathematical terms we will look that we say that 0 factorial is equal to 1, not 0. Okay, so it doesn't matter if we run the loop till 1 or then if we also compute 0, because 1 factorial is also going to be 1 and 0 factorial is also going to be 1. Okay, I guess now it's making many of you must be thinking, yeah, it's very simple problem and I can just solve it in just some seconds or very less time. Yeah, so still I will say that give it a pause over here and try to frame out your code on your own, at least on pen or paper, and then continue watching the video, as that will make more sense that what is your approach, what is my approach. If there is something different, then it's better because you will get to know some more. Because when you are in an interview, if you have given one approach, then interviewer asks something new, that tell me another approach, another thing, how you will do this problem. So it's better that if you know multiple approaches to solve a particular problem. Okay. So without wasting our time, let's get started over here. Uh, First of all, let's take an input that of which number the user wants to take the factorial. Okay. Now for this particular function, I am going to use for loop, and I am going to tell you something new, that is range function in Python. Okay, so for I in range, how it works is that if in it we have to tell the range up to which our Python program will be working. Let me tell you, like if I say range, see, it provides a range from 0 to 10. If I will say for I in range 10, then out. See, it will start from 0 index 1 to until 9. What it means, it takes one less, or you can say 10 means that 10 numbers it will print but starting from 0. But what if you want something from starting 1? So I will say 1 here, comma, and then I will say print I. Okay. See, again it's saying 9 means it is not including this last digit. If I want to include it, just I have to say 11. Okay, so this made the sense. So let's back to our program. uh, what should we do? Let's iterate from 1 to how many times? Num plus 1. Why? Because so that it includes that number itself. Yes, then also take an suppose fact is equal to 1. Now in this case we are taking 1 because we have to multiply, and when 1 is multiplied to any other number, that number remains the same. Yeah, in fact is equal to fact multiplied by I. Let's print it and now run this program. Suppose I want of 5. Yeah, it's 120. Here we have computed now. Let's check for some another number like 15. See how big number it is. Yeah. Uh, I hope that this made the sense of using this range. We can also do it by using while loop. It doesn't matter, just we need for the iterations. I hope you got the idea about the factorial of a number. In the coming upcoming videos, I am going to tell you how to find the factorial of a number using recursion. So stay tuned and keep coding. Bye bye.